Hello guys, what is up? Hope you're doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and welcome to today's tutorial. So we are going through the chapter Simple Simultaneous Equation. So I've already provided 4 tutorials on the chapter. Among those 4, in last 2 tutorials we discussed about problem solving, and we solved 2 categories of problem. One is with numeric coefficient, the 3rd tutorial, and on the 4th tutorial with algebraic or alphabetical coefficient. And today we're going to discuss about simultaneous equation in fractional form. Simultaneous equation where the equations will be in the fraction form. So to get the video and to get acquainted with the tutorial, please watch the video till end without fasting forward. Okay, and stay with me till the end. So boys, as you can see in the screen, this time we were asked to solve a simple simultaneous equation where x by 2 plus y by 3 is equals to 3 and x minus y by 3 is equals to 3. So we are asked to find the value of x and y. Okay, so again we will aim, just like the previous procedure, we'll aim to eliminate a variable. So here we are aiming to eliminate y from both sides, since look, y is with different sign. So look here, the y is already with the same coefficient. Here y by 3, also y by 3. So we needed to, this time we needed to multiply any of the equation with anything. So directly, since they are with opposite side, so they are completing the steps 2 by itself automatically or by default, then we'll move into step 3. So since they are with different sign, we're gonna add them. Okay, so by adding them, what are you gonna get? Look there, by adding them we're gonna get a situation like this. Here y by 3 with plus sign and y by 3 with minus sign will meet each other. So we have x by 2 plus x is equals to 3 plus 3 makes 6. So there we get. So now by doing LCM, so LCM is 2, so x plus twice x by 2 is equals to 6. Now x plus twice x as same as before, it just the class 6 standard or grade 6 standard. So here we find the value of y, x is equals to here value of x, so x 3 to the 6. So here by dividing 6 we got by dividing 6 with 3 we got 2, so 2 to the 4, or 6 into 2 it becomes 12. So 12 divided by 3, this gives us a result 4. Okay, now our aim is to find the value of y. So look, for finding value of y we need to put down the value of x is equals to 4 into equation 1, since here y is with plus sign. So by putting 4 by 2, here 4 is the value, I mark it with a different color so that you can understand. So look, 4 is the value of x, 4 by 2 plus y by 3 is equals to 3. Now by calculating this one, 4 by 2 means 2 plus y by 3 is equals to 3, and by solving this one we get the value of y is equals to 3. So this is the procedure of solving simple simultaneous equation in fractional form. But look, this is already set by default in the 2nd step. But if this not happen, what are you gonna do? Suppose if we need to multiply, then what are you gonna do? Okay, let us move for such kind of problem. Okay, again this time we're dealing with another equation. Okay, So look here. Here our equation, this time our equation is x by 3 minus 2 by y is equals to 1, and x by 4 plus 3 by y is equals to 3. Look here, again we are aiming to eliminate y because with different sign, here minus, here plus. So look, what is it? 2 divided by y. So if we multiply this one by 3, we have a situation like 6 divided by y. And if we multiply the second equation with 2, we have a situation like 6 divided by y. That means the coefficient of y gonna be same. That means for stepping into 2, we're gonna multiply the first equation with 3 and the second equation with 2. So let us do that. So when you're gonna do that, we have a situation like this. Multiplying the first equation by 3, we have thrice x by 3 minus 6 by y is equals to 1 into 3 means 3. And the second equation by 2, as you can see here, twice x by 4 plus 6 by y. Why 6? Because 3 to the 6 is equals to 6. Now since they are with same sign, so we just need to add them. Okay, by adding them, what are you gonna get? By adding them, we're gonna get here 3 and 3 omit each other, so here we have x plus 2 and 4 cut each other, so x by 2 is equals to 3 plus 6, 9, and by solving this one we get the value of x that you can see in this case. X is equals to 6. Now all you need to do, we just need to put down the value of x into any of the equation. But look, this time we're gonna put down the value of x into second equation, because here the variable y in the second equation is with plus sign. Okay, so let us put down the value. By putting down the value, we're gonna get what? Look here, value of x is 6, so 6 I marked it with different color. Okay, so 6 by 4 plus 3 by y that you can see on the right side is equals to 3. Now all I need to do just to calculation, so 6, if we cut both numerator and denominator with 2, so 6 cutting with 2 results 3, and 4 cutting with 2 results 2, so 3 by 2 plus 3 by y is equals to 3. All you need to do, as we're aiming to find the value of y, so we'll keep y on a single side and move others on some other side. So we are doing the same thing. We keep 3 by y on the left side and 3 by 2 shifted on the right side. Since there is a plus sign before 3 by 2, so the sign gonna be changed as minus. So by doing LCM on the right hand side, what are you gonna have? LCM is 2, so 3 into 2, as you can see in the cursor, 3 into 2 gives us 6 minus 3. So finally we get 3 by y is equals to 6 minus 3, so 3 by 2. Now we need to find the value of y, so by doing cross multiplication, so y will be on the right side and 3 by 2 will be on the left side. So on the left side, they're gonna be interchange their positions, so numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So look, 3 is as it is into, when shift this one on the right side, we have 2 divided by 3. Okay, there will be reciprocal when you change the side, is equals to y. Since y is in the numerator, when you change the side, it's gonna be numerator, from denominator to numerator. Now 3 omit each other, therefore we got a result y is equals to 2. We got a result y is equals to 2. I hope you understand this problem. If really, then you can solve the problem by yourself, inshallah. Okay, let us move into the next problem. So this time we have a situation like this. Okay, so again, look, we need to focus. This time the equation is x by 6 plus 2 by y is equals to 2, and x by 4 minus 1 by y is equals to 1. So look, here 2 and here 1. So if we multiply the first equation with 1 and the second equation with 2, we're gonna have twice x by 6 plus 2 by y is equals to 2, and here if we multiply this one by 2, twice x by 4 minus 1, 2 by y is equals to 1. So in that case, since we're aiming to eliminate y as they are with different sign, we're going to have 2 by y, 2 by y. So let us say that, look, we have a situation like this. Look, by multiplying the first one with 1 and the second one with 2, we get this. So look, 2 by y with different signs, so we can omit each other. So from here we get x by 6, and 2 or 4 cutting each other, we get here x by 2. So let's see, and on the right side 2 plus 2 becomes 4. So okay, let's see. So what are you gonna have here? X by 6 plus x by 2 from here is equals to 4, and by solving this, taking LCM, here 6 is the LCM, so 6x as it is plus 3 2 is 6 thrice x. So from here we get the value of x is equals to, by doing this one we can see on the right side x is equals to 6. You can see x is equals to 6 because 4 and 4 omit each other. Now all we need to do, we just need to put down the value of x is equals to 1 into equation 1. Again look, we are getting back into equation 1 because here the sign before the y is plus. So doing this, look, value of x is 6, so 6 by 6 plus 2 by y is equals to 2. We just put it down. I just write down value of y with different colors so that you can understand. So look, 6, this is the value of x, 6 by 6 plus 2 by y is equals to 2. So 6 by 6 becomes 1 plus 2 by y, as you can see here, this case. Now all we need to do, we need to shift this one on the right hand side. Look, oh my goodness, here we have 2 minus 1, sorry, my mistake, 2 minus 1, okay, so 2 minus 1 becomes 1. So from here we get, look, 2 minus 1 becomes 1, 2 by y is equals to 1. Now if we shift it on the right side y, so by cross multiplication what are you gonna have? Y into 1 means y, and 2 into, here in the denominator there is a 1, so 2 into 1 becomes 1. Therefore the value of y gonna be, if you have confusion, I'm gonna write down another line. If you have confusion, I'm gonna write down another line here. So it's gonna be into y, and on the left hand side we're gonna have 2. So look, 2 is equals to 1 into y, therefore y is equals to 2. So I hope you can solve the problem by yourself right now. So boys, that is the end of the solving procedure for simple simultaneous equation. First case with numerical coefficient, second case with algebraic coefficient, and third case in fraction form. So you have learned all the procedures of solving simple simultaneous equation by elimination method. So if you really understand this up to this tutorial, that means up to 5th tutorial, so I hope you can solve all the problems related to simple simultaneous equation by applying the method of elimination. From our next tutorial, we're going to start the second procedure, that means substitution method for solving simple simultaneous equation, inshallah. So till then, please stay safe, stay home until the further instruction from government. So till then, please keep praying for me and stay with me. Allah Hafiz.